morning. It is 400 hours India Standard Time by my watch, and we are here to give you a glimpse of how a day looks like in the life of a cabin crew during COVID-19 pandemic. Right now we are standing outside the house of a cabin crew member from Vistara, and in a short while the member will join us here. Her name is Niharika, and we'll track her throughout her first flight journey from Delhi till Calcutta. Many thanks, Niharika, for joining us today on CNBC TV 18. The first question I would want to ask you is that what time do you generally wake up for a 7:20 flight, and also what all have you packed in this bag?
So I woke up at 2:30 a.m. for this flight, and in my bag I have a pair of formals, my documents, and a sanitizer bottle, and some munchies for the flight.
And now that you're leaving for a flight to Calcutta from Delhi at 7:20 a.m. in the morning, the flight is scheduled at 7:20 a.m. So when will you return to your home base, which is Delhi?
The flight would land probably around 12:35, so I think I'll be home by 2 p.m.
Well, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. We are just about 10 kilometers away from the airport, and cruise car is right in front of us, and we are on the way to the airport. Well, right now we are standing outside gate number 2 of Delhi Terminal 3, and the cabin crew has entered via gate number 8, but for passengers the gate is number 2, so that is where we are standing. We'll wait for our turn to get inside the airport. As you can see, there were sanitization tunnels which have been formed for the luggage specially, and there are markings also on the ground to maintain social distancing. It is one of a kind experience, and as you will see in a short while that there will be a glass shield by which they will check the boarding pass, and there will be no touch point between the security and the passenger. So what will be your next step now that we have entered the terminal?
So now I'll be going to my office, and then I will sign in and then proceed to the security check.
The cabin crew, she has proceeded towards the security because they have their airport passes, so they don't require any ticket, so to say. But we as normal passengers, we will get our tickets verified at the check-in counter and then proceed towards security. As of right now, we can clearly see that the shops here do not have a single person or customer who is ready to buy the stuff. Even the restaurants, the bakeries, the eateries, the places that are serving coffee, there are no takers. So I think it will take some time for that kind of demand at the retail shops here to pick up.
Lavatories are cleaned thoroughly before every takeoff, and additionally we also sanitize after every use by the customer. So basically no two passengers will use the lavatory one after another until it has been sanitized.
फ्लाइट में तो जा सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा है। ट्रेन में भी कुछ डर लगता है। हाँ, फ्लाइट में ठीक है।
मेरा वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है और काफ़ी दिन से मैं दिल्ली में, और दिल्ली का कंडीशन बहुत बुरा है अभी, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ घर पे रह के इजीली काम भी हो सकता है और खाना भी अच्छा मिल सकता है।
So this is what happens once you leave the aircraft. All the touch points being sanitized Before that, they had also cleaned the space where you keep your hand baggage. This has been thoroughly cleaned and disinfected to ensure that it has been properly cleaned before the second batch of passengers arrive on this flight.
So once the aircraft landed, there are certain documents that are being signed. One is the catering handover sheet, one is the catering security sheet, the cabin cleaning sheet.
Right now, there are about 40 to 50 passengers on board, which goes on to show that not many people are willing to travel from Kolkata to Delhi, probably because of the spread of infection that is there in Delhi as of right now. So this is how the life of a cabin crew has changed during COVID-19 pandemic. We've been tracking Niharika Chaturvedi from Vistara since 4 am in the morning, and this is the end of her flight duty. Because of the scale of operations has reduced across airlines, 1/3 of operations are allowed. That is why the flight duty has also reduced for cabin crew members. Earlier they used to do 5 to 6 flights a week, and now they've flown 5 to 6 flights in a matter of 3 weeks. So that has been a huge dip, but then that goes on to show that the number of flights that are being operated that are less. So this is me, Anu Sharma, signing off from Delhi International Airport for CNBC TV 18. Back to you.